Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel subscription on Google Play Store. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Play Store application on my mobile phone, and we're going to select the profile option right here on the top right corner, and you're going to go to the payments and subscriptions. Okay, and select the subscriptions, and for example I'm going to cancel the subscriptions for this application, for more application. We can tap on that and we can simply click on cancel subscription. Okay, and just wait for a moment, and you can choose the reason. And for example, I'm just going to select cost related reasons and click on continue. Then you can click on cancel subscription. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to cancel subscription on Play Store. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.